This is crucial. So what I'm about to tell you is something that I think a lot of people don't think of when they look at crypto. And I got this idea when I was looking at some Bitcoin charts last night. And there's this guy I follow on Twitter, and he had a chart of Bitcoin, and he basically said, while everybody's looking at the small everyday dips, I'm looking at the larger picture, and Bitcoin is presenting itself in a bullish fashion. Historically, when it does this, it does really well. And what he basically was saying, he was kind of zooming out, right? Instead of looking at, 15-minute or hour, he was looking at more macro, higher levels. And I'm like, that's interesting. And I talk about this in my videos all the time. And this is something that I think is really, truly crucial to crypto success. And so the idea is this. I think that you need to look at crypto investing like a marathon, and then you also have little sprints if you want them. What's a marathon? Obviously, it's a long run, right? 20 miles, 23 miles, longer, crazy, right? I mean, I've never been interested in doing marathons because I just can't do them, and I don't want to do them. But the analogy is there, and the analogy is what I'm really talking about. And then you have a sprint, 100 yards, 200 yards, 400 yards. My son was in track, has been in track for a long time, and you have those sprints. Okay, so here's where I'm bringing it back to crypto. Most people don't even look at crypto as anything. They just kind of they just buy it, and then they're like, okay, I own it. And they don't really have a plan. They don't have a plan like you need when you're running a marathon. You had to train, and you have to have a plan to get you through that marathon, hydrating and all that kind of stuff. But also a marathon is time. Also a marathon, it takes time. It takes a long time to run a 23-mile marathon or whatever it may be, right? So you can probably see where I'm drawing these parallels to crypto. Most crypto investing, in my opinion, not investing advice, needs to be a marathon. Most of it needs to be where you invested long term, and you're looking at the long-term plan for that crypto. So you've bought Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and all the major, the major blue chips, if you will. You've got a good diversification strategy in that. And you have a marathon plan that's a multi-year plan to achieve your goals associated with your marathon crypto profit plan. Okay. Beyond that, what's the sprint analogy? Well, a sprint analogy could be swing trading, could be you want to, go buy some meme coins and see if they will move up or whatever it is. And it's more of a just kind of side plan, if you will. However, whatever metaphor works for you. But the sprint is not, it's completely outside of the marathon. You have your marathon plan. And by the way, your marathon crypto plan, quite honestly, should include stock investing, mutual funds, ETFs, things of that nature. Have a good diversification strategy. Long-term, multi-year plan. Sprints beyond that are swing trading, as I said. Maybe you're looking at a short-term gain. Hey, I want to buy Polygon Matic, and I want to make a 30% return on that. And I think that because they're coming out with this brand new thing over there at Polygon or Cardano, I'm gonna get a short-term gain here, and I'm gonna do a short-term, maybe month or 2 month or 3 month kind of scenario, and that's a sprint. But this is crucial that you have a plan, and whatever metaphor, analogy you want to look at, or however you want to structure it, I'm just trying to give you some framework that you might be able to fit into some context that might work for you. But it is crucial, truly, that you have, in this example, you have a marathon plan, and then also there is absolutely nothing wrong with having some sprint races along the way. That's all I got for you. Thanks. Go make some money. See ya.